Bakery nila. They have so much stuff, so much breads in here. They have Pringles right there. They have pastillas as well. They have ube, pan de coco. They have pan de coco plain right here. They have so much stuff, guys. They have this one, the ube pandesal, and I saw one that's oh, look at this, suman salihia. This one looks good, huh? Dami na natin kakanin. Oh my gosh. Okay, meron din silang malunggay, guys. Meron din kaming malunggay. We have a plain pandesal here. Ang dami na natin. We have kakanin, both kakanin. We have this suman de liha. We have hopia. Oh, they have mango pastries too. They have cheese pastries. Whoa! Yeah, meron din dito tayo. We should get like empanada. Order lang tayo, mga ma'am.
Thank you all for watching.